Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're going to do a hidden message card. I love these. You're so fabulous because you make me smile. So let's get started. You're going to want to start with a couple sheets basic white paper, one that is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 3 1/2 and 7. Another one that is also 4 1/4, but at 6 3/4 and scored at 4 3/4. And once you have those, you're going to do some folding. So this one, you're just going to fold at the 4 3/4. So looks like that. I'll keep that there. This one, you're going to fold this way first and then the opposite way, because you're basically making a Z like that. Okay, then the first thing we're going to do, we're going to have to make technically this heart punch through 2 sheets of cardstock and a third one, and also some DSP. So start with this one here. Make sure that you have this side that's open, and you're going to put in your punch. It could be any punch. I just did a heart one just because it's close to Valentine's Day, so I thought it'd be nice to have a heart. You could do a circle, you could do a square, whatever you need. Just want it close to the right side, like that. Then you're going to take this piece and you're basically going to adhere it, lining up this side, because you're going to want to punch that right there. So I'm going to adhere it first, and I'm going to use this side, and I'm going to do some glue. I'm going to have to open up a new one. Sometimes you give it a little shake and it comes back to life. Alright, so then you're going to take your other piece that you haven't punched yet, but you want to match these edges together. Okay. Make sure that corner's there, that's corner there. Flip it over. Use your bone folder to spread that liquid glue around. Then I'm going to take a pencil and just, well, actually I don't need to do the pencil part this way, but it might help. A little tracing of that. Take your punch back in here. And I go all the way in, so if that helps, go all the way in and you won't have to measure too much. See, and I got a little bit of it, but that's fine. That'll still work. So now you have it there. So basically, the fold looks like this, and you have to keep this fold in here like this, because when it reveals it, the new message is right there. All right, so now we're going to take a couple pieces of DSP to help decorate. So one is 4 by 4 1/2, and the other is 4 by 3 7/8. The one that's 3 7/8 I just put on the back here. So I'm going to quickly do that with my snail pastille for top. Remind me where to put it, and I'm ready to put it away. And this is for the back, just so it matches. And then this one's for the front here, but because you have the hole, you're going to want to adhere mostly here, and then we'll do some glue a little bit here. So I'll just put a little bit for now, a little bit around the heart, just so it'll stay. And you can use either side. I just chose to use that. Then, because the paper is so dark, put that back, I'm going to just use a little red Sharpie to show me where the tips are and the edges. So it looks like that. It's a little easier to see. And then I'm going to repunch this. And again, if you push it all the way in each time, you'll be fine for matching it up. And there it is. Alright, so then I also took the envelope and the heart from the banner year, and then the sayings from the mini mates. So those are the two stamp sets that I use, and I'm using the Rococo Rose ink pad. So first, "You're just so fabulous" is the first message. So you stamp it with the card closed. There you go. I thought the little heart would add a good touch. Then make sure again your paper looks like this, because once you slide it over, you're revealing the second message. And this one says, "Because you make me smile." And then another heart at the bottom for that. Then I also previously stamped 3 of these and punched out a white scalloped heart and a Rococo Rose smaller heart. And those two punches come together as a set because they perfectly fit in here. A little bit more. And the stamp and seal here. These I stamped and cut out and put a dimensional on the back of each one of those. So I'll get those ready. And let's see, I'll go in here. Another one in this corner. And another one in this corner. And there you go. Alright, so here it is. "You're so fabulous because you make me smile." Hidden message card for you to enjoy using the banner year and mini mate stamp set and the True Love Designer Series paper. That's what this is right here. So thanks for letting me share this with you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.